good part of the way down the street.
Wait, I'll aim this way. It almost worked. I have an idea.
You gotta get it going straight.
Well, I know it's grippy,
You actually got to slip out. So. Where are you going?